I hope you've enjoyed learning Splunk. I've tried to give you a broad overview of the major features without getting too bogged down in things like search syntax. There's a lot more that could be covered on search, so I hope this course has piqued your interest enough to learn more on your own. I'd recommend spending some time looking at docs.splunk.com. They provide a lot of detail. If you're like me and you learn best by seeing example code and playing with it, I think you'll appreciate the official docs. They have lots of examples that you can try out yourself. Answers.splunk.com is another great place to look, especially if you're stuck on a more complex problem. The community is really supportive and there are a lot of archived answers. Chances are someone has had a similar question to what you're stuck on, so spend some time searching before you post a question. Splunk also has a fairly active community on Reddit, so you might also try asking questions there and searching for previous questions. The makers of Splunk offer some free self-paced online courses and some paid instructor-led virtual and in-person courses. If you learn best by being able to ask questions and interact with an expert, you might consider one of the instructor-led courses. Splunk is one of those tools where you can often pick up little insights into how to do things just by seeing how someone else thinks as they create their search queries. So even just browsing videos on YouTube can be helpful, because you'll likely catch one or two approaches that you hadn't considered to how you can structure your searches. Finally, I'd just recommend playing around with the tool. Set up a server and get some real data into it, and just spend some time playing around with different search commands and other features. The search syntax is very powerful, almost like its own programming language. So when you have a solution that you like for a particular query, try to think of other ways you might get the same results. Thanks for taking part in this course. I hope you feel excited and well prepared to start using Splunk.